This is a little song that teenage Kristen wrote when she was manifested in physical form in May 2020. You can find out more about these miraculous wonders of this transcendent healing journey I've been exploring existence through in part 1 of my known documentary series, and also a bonus feature that has a little image that says Kristen's Second Adolescence. You can explore that and other magic in my known documentary series at KRISTINWindsor.com/known and youtube.com/Kristin Chronicles. And you can always explore the video captions and all my videos that have little insights about stuff and extra links you can click on and stuff. So you can always discover more in the video description below. So this is a song written, my inner child when she was young for the first time physically wrote music from age 9 all the way on through all teenage years and into adulthood. And while healing with adaptable consciousness condition, there were periods where aspects of the inner child would come write music. And last year was especially interesting, and I'm excited to be exploring it because yay, healing from amnesia. Trippy stuff. So cool, so divine, so miraculous. So this here is a song called Soul's Illumination, and it was written by a manifestation of teenage Kristen while this brain-body system was progressing through stages of neurodevelopment that had been profoundly halted because of early childhood trauma. So again, yay for divine miracles. So let's explore this. I found this. I was like, this is kind of cool. I dig it. I'm enjoying this. Thus, sharing it. We're all here for personal power reclamation, striving to create our independence declaration, craving to evolve and sustain our restoration, letting go of the need for stagnant preservation. So friend, there simply is no need for hesitation. Release all resistance, cancel your reservation. Allow today to be your brand new healing proclamation. Ride along in your own joy, the journey is the destination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. I'm gonna do it one more time because that was fun. Feel free to sing along with me and let your inner warrior of love come out. Again, you can look at the video description and see the lyrics to this little ditty. What's it called? Soul's Illumination. You can sing along with me if you want and feel some empowerment vibes coursing through your veins. You know what I'm saying? Cool. All right, ready, set, go. Because we're doing this together, I guess. If you want to, you don't have to. Oh, another idea, though, if you want to play along, you could always invite your inner teenager out and channel any pent-up anything that might be hiding in there in a way that can help you feel empowered from the inside out. Just an idea, though. You do what feels right. Just flow. Ready, set, go! We're all here for personal power reclamation, striving to create our independence declaration, craving to evolve and sustain our restoration, letting go of the need for stagnant preservation. So friend, there simply is no need for hesitation. Release all resistance, cancel your reservation. Allow today to be your brand new healing proclamation. Ride along in your own joy, the journey is the destination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. I'm going to do it one more time. If you're bored with it, then you can go hop to another one of my really fun videos. If you're enjoying this and feeling some good empowered vibes, play along. Ready, set, go. We're all here for personal power reclamation, striving to create our independence declaration, craving to evolve and sustain our restoration, letting go of the need for stagnant preservation. So friend, there simply is no need for hesitation. Release all resistance, cancel your reservation. Allow today to be your brand new healing proclamation. Ride along in your own joy, the journey is the destination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. Rise up into diamond, sing your soul's illumination. All right, if you sung along with me, thank you for sharing that. Comment in the video below if you happen to sing along with that, and we can do a little victory dance together. It's important to help our self aspects feel empowered, like genuinely empowered. And when life experience has taught our neurobiology to feel disempowered, then it's even more important that we create opportunities for our self aspects to feel empowered from within. And as one of infinite potential examples, our inner teenager might have the especial need for that sense of empowerment. It always depends on what we go through and how we were able to respond to what we go through. But out of all self aspects in the world, I kind of just have a theory that the inner teenager has the most sense of angst that has infinite potential to be channeled into empowerment. Everybody's different though, but there's always at least one of our infinite trillions of self aspects that need to feel empowered in a way that can cultivate confident courage. Not just a sense of like, I can make myself push through whatever I need to push through, but a sense of I can love myself through anything I go through. A little bit of an energetic difference in those, you know? And so like a confident courage, a courage where you're brave enough to love yourself and grow through whatever you're going through, even if what you're going and growing through feels like, quite frankly, hell. Or something very unpleasant. If what you're going through is really tough, confident courage really just means being brave enough to love yourself and not give up on you. And creating that sense of empowerment from the inside out can change the game. It can change every corner of life, because it changes every corner of our consciousness. And our consciousness is what decides how to create our lives. I love you all. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Thanks for sharing Playful Magic. And please do feel free to explore my other creational offerings. I've got lots of super mini mega magic, so please feel free to explore all of those in different links. I will never get over the trippiness of actually being able to recognize my face. What a miracle. What a miracle to be able to know who you are in any capacity. Anyway, I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed day, and keep reclaiming your personal power. Once more for the parts in the back. We're all here for personal power reclamation, striving to create our independence declaration, craving to evolve and sustain our restoration, letting go of the need for stagnant preservation. So friend, there simply is no need for hesitation. Release all resistance, cancel your reservation. Allow today to be your brand new healing proclamation. Ride along in your own joy. The journey is the destination. Rise up into diamonds, sing your soul's illumination. Rise up into diamonds, sing your soul's illumination. Have a beautiful and blessed day, soul friends. Sending you lots of love.